Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to modify the reflectors in the bumper of my Gladiator. These. I've been trying to figure out for a long time a way to replace these with a light to help with backing up on dark trails at night. And I saw in one of my Jeep groups on Facebook a guy had taken these and mounted these in it. He used 3 of these in each reflector. 3/4 inch LED light. I'm going to do 4 in each reflector, or at least try to. But we're going to mark it out, then we're going to sand them down, and then we're going to mark it out, cut them, sand them down, and then paint them, put the lights in, and then on another day I will actually mount them back in the Jeep. I gotta go back to work tomorrow night, so I can't do it tomorrow. I'll be sleeping, so y'all hang on. So as you can see, we have our lights sitting out. I'm going to move them out of the way over here. I'll figure out one there, one there, one there, and one there. That should work, don't you think? One there, one there, one there, one there. Nice and bright. Don't know how good these little LEDs are. I bought them on Amazon, but we'll find out. So what I'm going to do is put this little piece on here, and then mark it with a marker. To ensure that I can get them all to fit where I want them. That's going to be smack dead center. Okay, so I'm going to start with a 1/4 inch. So we're going to start with a 1/4 inch. Now, to be fair, you could stop right here, and you could put this back in the Jeep, and you don't have to worry about all these little pieces that you cut being visible because they're covered by the bumper. And you could maintain your reflector and have some bright ass LED lights to light the way as you back into campsites after dark, because it took much longer to get to your campsite than you thought it would. But I'm going to black it out. I'm going to sand all this down, take all these back out, sand all this down, and paint it flat black. I think it'll look a lot cleaner than this will. I'm not sure how well you can tell it on the camera, but they don't make such good reflectors anymore. So there you go. There you have it, and there you are. Some additional reverse lamps so that when I'm backing into camp in the dark, much easily seen. Shout out to Jeff Kane. Got me some portable microphones, some cordless microphones, so that hopefully the audio quality will be even better. He's a subscriber to the channel. First gift the channel has ever gotten. Thank you, Jeff. I appreciate it. Now, let's get into looking at these lights while they're turned off so you can actually see what they look like. As you can see, this was the reflector. I took it off and spray painted it black, drilled holes in it, put these little 3/4 inch LED lights off Amazon on them. I slightly drilled too big in a couple of them, had to put a little bit of glue in there, but from 10-15 feet back you can't tell. And this is not a show truck, this truck gets driven. So and of course I've got them wired in to my, what is it, a 5-switch panel? Yeah, that I've got mounted underneath my window controls, and they're mounted to the middle one. There you have it. There you are. New reverse lights. They're not super bright. They're not like spotlights. Of course, I don't know. I've not tried using them in the dark yet, but from what I can tell, they're not like spotlights. But they are plenty bright enough to light up camp out in the woods somewhere when I'm trying to back into a spot. So anyway, y'all keep the shiny side up, and we'll catch you on the next one.